What if your sleeping bag could actually heat itself on a cold mountain night? Or your car rooftop could pack smarter than your suitcase? This is Trek Gear, and today we're unlocking 20 of the smartest and coolest camping gadgets that'll change the way you adventure. Hit that like if you're into gear that thinks for you, because we're diving straight in. If you've ever woken up freezing in the middle of the woods, the SB9 heated sleeping bag is about to become your favorite camping companion. This thing isn't just warm, it's electrically heated with 3 adjustable zones, giving you total control over where and how you warm up. Whether it's your core, legs, or feet, this bag lets you dial in the heat exactly where you need it. It's powered by a 12-volt battery and can last all night on a single charge, even in sub-zero temperatures. Designed by New Direction Tackle, it's also built tough with a water-resistant shell and a soft fleece interior that feels like a cozy cocoon. Basically, it's like bringing a thermostat into your tent without the need for a generator. The Yakima CBX LG roof box fixes that with a sleek 16 cubic foot cargo solution that mounts right on your car. But this isn't just storage, it's smart storage. The CBX LG features dual side access, ergonomic opening handles, and a rugged, angular design that looks like it belongs on a sci-fi rover. What's even cooler, it comes with an integrated interior light, so no more fumbling with a flashlight at night. The locking system is rock solid for security, and it fits most roof racks out of the box. Camp cooking just went from chore to gourmet with the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp system. This isn't your average burner. It's a 2-burner powerhouse that folds down flat, fits in a compact case, and sets up in seconds. The real magic is in the JetLink connection, letting you chain it with other Jetboil gear, like a Luna satellite burner or a frying pan. Boil a liter of water in just over 3 minutes, then simmer your stew without scorching it. The Dark Energy Spectre is an 18-watt solar panel built for adventurers who don't mess around. With a rugged, foldable design and military-grade durability, it's made to survive rain, dust, drops, even snow. But it's not just tough. It's smart. The Spectre automatically adjusts its voltage to optimize charging based on sunlight conditions, so you won't fry your gadgets or waste precious daylight. And with dual USB ports, you can charge your phone and power bank at the same time. The Grayl titanium GeoPress purifies water in just 10 seconds, removing viruses, bacteria, protozoa, microplastics, heavy metals, the whole cocktail of outdoor nasties. And because it's made of titanium, you can set it directly on a fire to boil water or cook right in it. It's a purifier, a bottle, and a cookpot in one minimalist beast. Perfect for ultralight campers, preppers, and anyone who doesn't trust sketchy streams. The Olight Prowess combines a powerful tactical flashlight with a collapsible 360-degree lantern, and it switches modes with a twist. The flashlight blasts up to 1,300 lumens, enough to light up an entire trail, while the lantern glows with warm, adjustable ambient light that's perfect for tent vibes or midnight campfire chats. It's magnetic, rechargeable via USB-C, and smart enough to remember your last brightness setting. Plus, it comes with a proximity sensor that automatically dims the beam to avoid blinding people or setting your tent on fire. Meet the ICECO APL35, a dual-zone camping fridge and freezer that runs straight off your car, solar, or power bank. With 2 independently controlled compartments, you can freeze on one side and chill on the other. No more soggy sandwich disasters. It's got a high-efficiency SECOP compressor, aluminum alloy body for durability, and even a mobile app so you can control temps from your phone. Toss it in the truck bed, strap it to the RV, or leave it by the tent. This thing is built like a tank and whispers quiet while it works. The Ignik gas growler is a refillable, eco-friendly propane tank designed for serious campers who care about both power and the planet. Holding the equivalent of 5 green 1-pound cans, it connects to all your standard stoves, grills, and heaters with the included hose. The rugged case makes it easy to carry and store, while the refill adapter lets you top it off at any propane station. Not only does it reduce waste, it saves you cash in the long run. And let's be real, carrying one sleek growler beats juggling 5 clunky bottles every time. If you're cooking outdoors more than once a season, this little beast is a no-brainer. That's the magic of the Lovork 7-in-1 modular camping lantern. It's not just a light, it's a customizable lighting system. Each module has its own LED, battery, and function, from ambient tent glow to directional beam. Snap 2 together for a brighter setup, or split them up across your camp. And yep, it also charges your phone with its built-in USB port, magnetic bases, multiple brightness levels, waterproofing. It's like they took every feature you've ever wanted and built it into one shape-shifting lantern. Not with the ND Osprey Power Pack. This rugged beast is a power station made for anglers and campers alike, with a massive 120/4800 milliampere hour capacity and waterproof casing that laughs at rainstorms. It can charge your phone up to 20 times, run your portable fridge, and even power a laptop. With dual USB ports, a 12 volts output, and a built-in light for emergencies, it's got the versatility of a power bank and the endurance of a generator. The ZY.Hyisinn portable air conditioner is a compact 2000 BTU cooling unit built specifically for tents, vans, and cabins. It runs on a 24 volts battery, draws ultra-low power, and still drops the temp by up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit inside a small enclosed space. Set it beside your sleeping bag, and you'll go from sweaty mess to icebox bliss in under 15 minutes. It's quiet, efficient, and has multiple fan speeds to control your comfort zone. It even features a sleep mode, so it doesn't wake you up while you're finally not sweating. For desert hikers, festival campers, or summer glampers, this gadget is a game changer. The TOSY flying ring isn't just aerodynamic, it lights up like a UFO and can fly over 250 feet with a perfect spiral. It's waterproof, ultra lightweight, and glows with 360-degree LEDs that you can actually program to create custom light patterns. Play catch at dusk? Done. Beach games after dark? No problem. And the best part? It folds flat to fit in your backpack, so it's always ready for a quick round of glow-in-the-dark fun. Whether you're camping with friends or entertaining bored kids, this futuristic ring brings the energy and looks amazing doing it. But the 4 monster camping towels are worth the spotlight. These aren't your bulky, slow-drying bathroom rags. They're compact, ultra-absorbent microfiber towels that dry you off fast and dry themselves even faster. You can soak up sweat after a hike, rinse off at a campsite shower, or take a dip in a mountain lake, then hang it up and it's dry within an hour. But what if yours could literally change colors? With Magical Flames packets, your ordinary fire turns into a mesmerizing light show of blues, greens, purples, and reds. Just toss a packet directly into the flames. No prep, no mess, and within seconds, your campfire looks like it was stolen from a fantasy movie. Each pack burns with vibrant color for up to an hour, and it works on wood-burning fire pits, campfires, or even backyard bonfires. The Jisulife Turbo Fan is here to blow that heat away with a vengeance. This compact handheld fan looks unassuming, but inside is a twin turbine motor that cranks out serious wind. We're talking up to 26.5 feet per second airflow, enough to cool your face, neck, and bad attitude in seconds. It's USB-C rechargeable, runs for up to 13 hours on a single charge, and has 3 speed settings for total control. And get this, it also doubles as a power bank. So while it's keeping you cool, it can also charge your phone. Small, powerful, and whisper quiet. It's like carrying a personal breeze with you wherever you go. Phones and water usually don't mix, but with the Hiearcool waterproof phone pouch, you can take your smartphone swimming, kayaking, or even snorkeling without breaking a sweat. Rated IPX8, this pouch is fully submersible up to 100 feet and fits most phones with room to spare for cards or cash. But here's the kicker. You can still use your touchscreen and take photos or videos underwater. It comes with a secure lanyard, a simple snap and lock seal, and crystal clear film that won't fog up. The MalloMe Sleeping Bag combines all-weather performance with cozy comfort, making it the perfect go-to for campers of every skill level. It's rated down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, features a waterproof outer shell, and has a soft polyester lining that feels like sleeping in your own bed, only under the stars. The double-layer stitching keeps cold drafts out, while the hood design wraps your head like a hoodie for extra warmth. That wraps up our list of the 20 smartest and coolest camping gadgets that are changing the way we explore the outdoors. Found a favorite? Drop it in the comments. And if your gear game just got a little smarter, hit that like button, subscribe for more future-ready tech, and we'll catch you in the next one.